Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram filter search option not showing. For example, if you open your Instagram here and if you click on plus button here, after that you try to upload a story, and if you look for a specific filter so that you can search it, but there is no option available here that you can simply search for a specific filter on Instagram. So how you gonna fix that? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. The first thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection, and after that you have to make sure that you are using a proper network connection. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply click on general, and after that you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply reset, and here you have to simply reset your network setting. In this way your all network will be restarted. So the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply go to iPhone storage, and here what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the Instagram app. And after you find Instagram app, you have to click on that, and here you have to simply offload the app. And after offloading the app, you have to simply go back and you have to simply click on App Store here. And after clicking on App Store here, you have to simply search for Instagram here. And after searching for Instagram, you have to make sure that it is up to date. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you can simply update your Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, you can simply go back, and after that you can simply close all the apps, and you can again open the Instagram. So here you have to simply refresh the app, and after that you have to click on again plus button, and here you have to simply click on story, and here you can simply scroll to the side so that you can simply reach the end, and here you can simply find the search option for the filters. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on that search button, and after that you can simply find all kind of filter for the Instagram story. So in this way you can simply solve the Instagram filter search option problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.